Alright everybody, welcome to Timberborn again. So, yeah, mine's built, it's working. We had to move the district center around a bit and whatnot, but you know, it's all working. Small population issue here. You know, that it is what it is. Okay, so, but yeah, we're gonna want to do a few things now, here and now. Mainly, we're going to want to get a few printing presses over here. Why? Because, well, we have a few here. But we have, look, we have a shit ton of paper. We don't have a shit ton of books. In fact, we don't have any books here. So, now, how much does one of these consume? Okay, so this is, 3. So that's 9 per 3 hours. And this is, 2 times 4. That's 8 per 3 hours. So that's a total of 17 per 3 hours. How much we're making? Per 3 hours, that's 4 each. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Making 20 per 3 hours. So we do have a surplus in production right now. So you know, we're gonna fix this, of course. Yeah, okay. Oh, droughts are over, that's nice. Building lacks power? Oh, okay, there's no wind. Yeah, this stuff is getting built. Are we getting paper shipped in? Here we are. Building lacks power, building lacks workers, building lacks materials. What the fuck lacks? You don't have enough gears. Okay. This is like actually an issue. So we're going to have to shut down the mines. Where the fuck's the other mine? The other mine is over here, I see. Hey, so we need more gears. You know, we're getting a fancy wood production over there now. So we can afford to scrap you. We have enough sites. You don't need any resources or anything, so we're gonna scrap you and relocate you to the other district. Basically, what we're doing here is we're just going to try to streamline our production of stuff. This is temporarily going to kill our gear production even more. But, well, we are basically just sacrificing short-term resources to allow for, you know, longer-term resource obtainment. Pretty much. Okay, so this is going to be a bit more of an involved process. You know, getting power to these isn't going to be quite as easy. Because, yeah, these are on different axes now. So I think in this case, the best course of action would be to actually, yeah, to try to ship power from the gristmill section instead of the other section. Now the question is, what's a good place to start shipping power over? Like, because of how this is all built, it's not easy at all to find somewhere we can ship power from. Yeah, this is a prime candidate for shipping power, but of course it's going to. Okay, since this entire area is not you know, building stuff in it. So we're going to basically just flip these around, and we're going to ship get power over from the grist mills on this side. Like this. And this should sort out issues. The issues of this. You know, it's most important, it's just going to get gear production up and running again. You know, this is lower priority. Getting this path running is of utmost importance. Okay, I think that's... Oh god, okay, yeah, this isn't good. Well, okay, it would help if this was actually connected, because it isn't. I don't know why it's unconnected. I mean, I guess that explains why nobody was using this way. I just forgot to stick a road there. Just like it's totally a Doge thing to do. It's totally is. But yeah, anyway. We have enough refined wood production, right? Yeah, refined wood production is alright. It's just production of the year stuff. Okay, I don't think we're gonna be processing more steel anytime soon, but you know, just in case, I suppose. Just in case, we're going to stick the observatory down here. I don't think we're gonna need to research anything more, but it's you know, it's nice to have, I guess. And you know, just in case we have to expand this smelter area for whatever reason. So yeah, this place should finally be taking up the title of industrial plant of Chungus industrial plant. Finally, you know, it was meant to do this like way sooner. Could we actually like, slap a couple of these down the code? No, we can't. We could do it like this, I guess, but you know. Most importantly, we can't just slap these down without like getting rid of our industry, so it's kind of pointless. I mean, I guess you could space these out to allow for, and I'm not sure how much you would get from that because I don't think you would really save that much space or anything. Okay, so we've temporarily just nuked our gear production. None of these places, none of these factories are producing gears right now, but we're doing this. In the hopes that, you know, we will eventually that we'll be able to step up our gear production just a bit more. I mean, it's not by a lot. It really isn't by a lot at all. But it will help a little. You know, if we still need more power, I guess we could demo these water stores, because we don't necessarily need to store that much water, since we basically have a supply here which is going to be self-pumping. Surprisingly, this place isn't like overflowing or anything. Yeah, this is open, so by all means it should be. Okay, there's no wind coming in, which is probably an issue, which is probably a big issue here. Like, this place isn't even running at full capacity, so yeah, it's all gear shortages now. Okay, this is an issue. Okay, which view is sending gears over? Yeah, temporarily pause this. This place doesn't get sent gears in. Oh, go to fuck its footing. Yeah, open this. Block this off. Open you. Okay. So this should again slightly help power generation here, and keep the water flowing. This isn't actually full. Is water actually coming through here as well? There is, okay. Okay, yeah, just below full. So yeah, we've sort of just dug ourselves into a bit of a hole here, because none of these gear workshops is actually able to produce gears right now. Absolutely none of them. Okay, you are our lowest priority, because you don't actually play a part in the power chain. So yeah, we've sort of dug ourselves into a hole here. Yeah, you all require gears, which is an issue. Okay, so there is a solution here. The solution is we build more gear workshops here, or something, and sort of just like skip. Because you know we can connect them to the network here. We don't have any space for that here. Yeah, it's gonna be sketchy. It's gonna be really sketchy. So number one, planks. If we're gonna be supporting like gear operations and whatnot here, we're gonna need more than that. But yeah, we do have technically have space for gear workshops here. So we'll get those built, and it should help the situation just a bit. We'll slow the game down because can we change the graphics? Yeah, put that down to medium, please. We need all the FPS we can get. I mean, I don't want to go below medium graphics, honestly, because going below medium graphics is sort of just painful. But we can sort of afford going below high. Okay, so these should get built, which is theoretically going to help jumpstart production of gears. And so here, if we have like 20 gears here. Okay, so you can start shipping gears over if we start having a surplus here. I don't think it's gonna happen though. At least not soon. Okay, so everything is this end is working at full capacity. This end is definitely working at full capacity. Okay, yeah, gear production has just begun. So, you know, this is a sort of a bottleneck right now. I did not foresee this coming. I mean, I really should have, because but you know, I'm a fucking dumbass. Don't you? You know, I've always been a fucking dumbass, and I will always continue to be a fucking dumbass. So, yeah. It's not great, but it's temporary thing. What's the maximum draw depth of one of these actually? Maximum depth is 2, so like, can't stick one up here. No, can't. So look, yeah, if this dries out, this can't pump. These can't pump it, right? I mean, we could like try to deepen this and also lower this. It's an option. It's definitely an option. It's it's. Oh, guys, get these done first. Please, get the power connections done. Alright, gear workshops are functional. To an extent. To an extent. Wind isn't looking all that hot right now. Yeah, that's probably wind power, right? Okay, so yeah, these are all pretty much done. These are just waiting for excess production, for more production capacity. So, what I think I'm going to do here is I'm going to blow. I'm basically, I mean, sort of defeating the point, because like we built this dam thing here with the intent of like increasing the water depth here. I later realized that I was a fucking idiot and we couldn't actually do that. So instead, we are lowering all the stuff here. And if we do, for some whatever reason, end up eventually raising this water level, we'll have to fucking build a dam here again. Which is a kind of fucking hilarious. Yeah. Story of my life, right? Story of my life. Do we have enough holes here? I think we have enough holes. We also want to like open up like another of these houses, I think. Because of the unemployment caused by the mines being shut down will only last until the end of the gear shortage. And you know, we want enough kids to like fill in the gap, grow up and fill in the gap when that happens. Yeah, we don't have enough books here. We have enough books here, sort of. Yeah, we definitely don't need to build 2 scenes. We will build you, just because. Maybe do sort of want books. Distribution limits. Yeah, if you have more than 100 books here, they have more. They have less than 300 books. I guess you can start sending it over. We will want a secondary storage here, but like yes, a chunk storage is 40 gears, which is 40 gears we could seriously use over here right now. So we can start work on the chunk on the chunk. What the fuck did I swear I put in gear, like a gear merchant here. Oh. Yeah, so you know, if you have gears, you ship them over. Okay, you're not making anything because there's currently no wind. Okay, this is good to go. Kerblunk. Kerblunk. Okay, okay. And we're gonna get rid of these eventually, but it's eventually, not now. Now we just need to build. So you know, eventual goal is also just to get in the water over here. Oh god, oh fuck, oh god. I've made another fucking grave mistake. Whoops. That's as I said, Doge is not very smart. Doge is not very smart at all. It helps if you do this before you actually start building platforms on it. You know, this is going to like murder our pretty much our entire dynamite stock, I think. But you know, that's fine. Yeah, we're gonna have to crank working hours up because I want these gears done now. In fact, I want these gears done yesterday, but you know, we can't do that. %, which should be enough. No, it's not enough for this network. Of course, this network doesn't have like as much of a margin of Chonk power, Chonk power infrastructure. So. Now, surprisingly, beaver dynamite does work underwater. Yeah, there's no unemployment here now. That's gear production looking like. Gear production is getting made, and I'm pretty sure it's getting immediately shipped off, which is exactly what you want. Yeah, it is. So yeah, this should help out here. You know, I wasn't originally intending to put like wood processing stuff in here, but that's what's ended up happening. So. I mean, like when does what we intend to happen ever actually happen, right? How far can you guys build it actually? Only this area. Okay. So we are very careful here. We can extend our build range without actually losing any of the dynamite we've already placed down, which is ideal, of course. Okay, so yeah, our build range now basically covers this whole area, more or less. And yeah, what it doesn't, we can probably get to with platforms later. Yeah, you know, dynamite stocks are running out, and because they're not getting replenished like at all, since the dynamite factories here are down. Again, wood production is looking very nice. Yeah, so you know, between Doge being a dumbass, you know, usual stuff. Let's detonate these early, actually. There's like no real point not doing it. Well, as long as we sort of pay attention to when we're blowing up and make sure we don't cut off any of the routes or anything. Because that would actually be bad. Oh, but where the fuck are you getting the scrap metal from? Okay, you guys are running out of scrap metal process. So I'm gonna shut you all down so we can get the rest of the industries up and running. It's getting done slowly. It's not very quick at all. But you know, it is slowly getting done, so. We can actually just like shut this down and initiate what we call tactical flooding. Tactical flooding. Well, basically, since this is all, you know, what? Okay, this is waterproof. Yeah, this please. Okay, what a convenient time for things. Yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of shenanigans, basically. How's okay? We have one dynamite plant up and running. This one's next up. No, don't build this one whatsoever. Just focus on this one, so we can get your production up and running again. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you move about 30 of you over here. Do we have any unemployment? I mean, do we have any homelessness? It doesn't look like. Well, where the fuck did I move them actually? Okay, I moved them to the other. Uh, I always fucking do this every single fucking time. This always fucking happens. Always. Okay, yeah, we do have some unemployment. Or some hopelessness here. So we'll pop open a couple more of these houses. And kaboom. Done. So of course there's going to be a huge like unemployment issue here when all the kids here grow up. But you know, that's an issue for next time. Because you know, we have enough food. Food's never not been an issue for ages. It's just like, can we actually get enough jobs for all of you? Consensus is we probably can't. You know, let's deepen this as much as we can. Oh, did you get fucking dynamited? Oh, they can get fucking dynamited. Oh, I've just figured. I've just been informed they can actually get fucking dynamited, which is wow. I mean, I sort of expected it to be possible, but I've never seen it happen before. So yeah. Well, that's one way to do population control, I guess. Okay, the potatoes are in fact piling up. I'm not sure if that's because we making enough potatoes here, or if that's just because this wasn't occupied for a while. But anyway, we have an unemployment issue here now, so that's all right. Oh, look at that! The gear production chip is up and running now. That's nice. Third distribution net here, like in regards to gears. Okay, that should fix it. Again, there's a drought coming soon, so. Get rid of those as well. Okay, so yeah, this stuff isn't placed yet. This stuff is there. Yeah, so this does flood every time we open that up. Which is fair enough, I guess. Generally, that needs a top up before all the water goes away. What the hell still lacks materials? Oh, dynamite. Dynamite, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is an issue. Okay, yeah, we're never getting to that, so. Wait. Okay. Yeah, the drought's come. Yep, that's the water fucking off, so. Yeah, we ain't getting any more hydration, boys. This is the end of hydration. Yep, certified end of hydration. It's again, what's distribution? If they have they must have 200 gears over here. We don't have 200 gears over here yet. Okay, see. Planks here. Planks here looking good. Paper. What's the paper here looking? Paper here is looking okay. Just so you know, it's all looking okay. Let's increase book production further. Because we can. I'm confident enough in sustainable gear production that we can also open up one of the mines. And one of the smelters. We want to build up a bit of a head in scrap metal first. And you know, if we do happen to have a resource surplus here, I'd like some fresh new windmills. Okay, temporary disconnection of power, interruption of power. Oh dear, no, this isn't just like anything. This is a phone windmill connection. It's gears now. It's always gears. Okay, stop the mine, stop the mine. Stop this too. Halt, full stop on everything. Okay. So you then. Gonna set up some more water pumps. You know, once these are done, we'll decommission these water pumps, but they're not done yet, so. No power, it's fine. Nobody's working now anyway. So. Oh, for fuck's sake, what have you done? Y'all are fucking incompetent. Please, guys, get this done now. What's the power net looking like here? Okay, the local power net is sustaining. Yeah. Again, prioritize this building with haulers. Like, always prioritize the water pumps, always. We never don't prioritize the water pumps. Again, we want to build up a bit of a head in water stocks here, just to make sure everyone can live. Okay, there's... Are we actually having a fucking homelessness problem here? How is this? You know, one of you will die eventually. We don't want to start more homelessness, more unemployment issues further down the line, so... How's the recording looking? 45 minutes. Organized by horse, alright. Yeah, but book consumption is getting up there. We need, yeah, we'll need a temple here soon-ish. I think. Well, maybe not a temple, maybe just like a few more shrines, but we definitely need like. What's shrine? How apparently 30. Okay, I get those are probably the guys from the other district. You know, it's you guys' discretion. Oh, okay, we can't actually fit a temple here. See. Well, we could if we get rid of a couple of these. I can probably afford to get rid of this building hut and this water storage for a temple. Further down the line, though, when we've managed to build up more water storages, because that's a pretty important thing. We don't need the water storages. Don't actually need to be underground. Well, the temple does, so it's mostly an issue of that. Yes, so this is getting done. And pause these. Get the power first. We'll open up this hall post, I guess. So you know what I'd say we're like decently well equipped to handle drought and stuff these days. Just because, you know, all of this assorted stuff, basically. But honestly, we can totally get a stream gauge in here. And I mean, I guess we can stick some stairs down here as well. You know, just in case, right? Excuse me, is the direction of this log spinning just like spontaneously flipping? It is. I don't know why it's spontaneously flipping, it just is, I guess. Okay, I guess it spins in like the direction you'd expect. Yeah, I think I see how this works now. Okay, power state again. Yeah, this is a pretty big issue. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Yeah, like when the wind is blowing like full tilt, the power production here is like perfectly fine. You like cover literally everything. How much power does one of these actually take? It takes 200, which is like more. I mean, which is less than what a tribute to ingenuity or whatever the fuck it's called takes. So. We can't just like, continue sticking the platforms here, which we are going to do just to expand our windmill coverage. Because like ideally we don't want to windmill this towards this direction. This direction is going to be reserved for industrial growth, ideally. Okay, not here. Okay. Pause use and make sure you don't get built first, because your beavers are fucking dumbasses and they will just build and stop themselves from building this thing. Down like this, boys. Yeah, water level here isn't too hot. It'll should set back up eventually. Gear production like isn't necessarily all that great across the area. Yeah, so we will set gear shipments up here again. Yeah. Alright. So this place should start getting shipped gears too. This place has 9 gear workshops, this place has also 9. Oh no, it has 10. So yeah, gears are like a high consumption, low production resource, which is, sort of does make them a bit annoying. Power shaft here. Alright, you're now hooked into the mainnet. I mean, this path can be deleted, it's just a construction path, so. Oh yeah, this stuff is done too. Excellent. Excellent news. To prevent any levels of beaver dumb fuckery, I'm gonna do this. Slightly more. Is it? No, it isn't. It's the exact same. And this prevents beaver dumbfuckery, so do sort of. Just in case of any beaver dumbfuckery. Just in case. Never know. I'm not entirely sure if these pumps can actually like draw up enough water to like sustain this pump from here either. I'm hoping they can. Yeah, there's like no wind, so this entire massive wind farm is not doing anything right now. Oh shit, the wind's come. The wind has come. The wind is kind of bad. I mean, we are getting power. It's not a lot of power, but it's power. Can we open the view again? I think so. Building needs water. Okay, you don't have enough water, really? What's the water level? Here, 0.13. Wait, where the fuck is the water going? Is the water coming? The water isn't going out this way. Where the fuck is the water going? I don't know. It's going downtown. That's what. Drought's ending in a bit, so could be worse. You know, I don't know why this lake, which gets pumped way more than this thing does, but because like nobody pumps from here anymore. Pumping from here has been not the thing since like ages ago. But apparently this place is running out of water faster than this place is. I suppose this lake is deeper, but you know. Holy shit, is this place actually zoned? Oh, look. No. This place is not a fucking potato farm. Oh, look at that, the drought's ended. It's nice. What's paper consumption looking like? So it's still up there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6 thingamawatts. Drawing each 2 per hour for 3 hours. So 12 per 3 hours. Yeah, I think we've actually like outstripped production here, but of course production here can be expanded when necessary. Plant production. Let's see what plant production is going. So it's 1 per 6 hours. That's 10 plus 9 of that's 2. It's around 20. Just assume. That's 20 per 6 hours. What's production like here? It's about 1 per hour, give or take. So it's 15. Okay, so consumption is about 3 hours. 4 an hour, let's say. It's 4 an hour. Let's do this. For gear production. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, about 5 an hour maybe. So production is in check. Okay, we once again got into a situation where there's lots of there's not that much wheat. There's not that much farm, so we're gonna shut down production here. There is a maple syrup gun. So we're going to get some maple crackers, some maple pastries. Just gonna make sure that we have everything that can be researched. Yeah, this is like everything. So we really don't need you. What's the water level looking like here? It's coming back up. Slowly then. Do we have enough? Yeah, we have enough extra. Okay, you know what? This place. This thing, it's going to be replaced. It's going to be replaced with a tribute to ingenuity. Right here. What? Okay. This is not placed properly. Okay, there we go. It's important that this is placed properly. We have 400 planks here. We have more planks that got shipped over. Gears look fine. Blocks, okay. All right. Turn on this mine here. The food here is looking sketchy. Just a bit sketchy. I'm assuming bread is getting shipped over here and just getting eaten. I will investigate the possibility of just turning this into a lake and just like levying around this. Yeah, it's possible, I guess. Just cut this bit off with levees. Kind of dumb, but Dutch Beaverland, yes. I approve of this message. Dutch Beaverland would win. Okay, so you aren't. Excuse me, is this not connected? Oh, okay, it isn't. Nice. Doing a great job, Coach. Doing a great job. Again, another massive wind farm. Yes, everything in here is done. It's just we're grabbing metal blocks and pounding them in. You have enough metal blocks here, by the way. Total gears. Yeah, we are basically out of total gears again. That's fine though. Tribute to ingenuity is getting done soon. We will probably end this episode when this is done. And you know, next episode is probably coming after this is done. Set up the dynamite, which is going to open this channel eventually. Not yet, but you know, eventually. Tribute to ingenuity is working. Alright. It looks kind of dumb, not gonna lie. I think the Flame of Progress looks way better. But, you know. Whatever, what? Right. Let the beavers like what they like, I guess. So yeah, I guess we could sort this out, but you know, it's not a priority right now. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the recording here, so bye everyone.